Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by assessing the slime's exact hardness so you know how aggressive to be. If it's rock hard, warm it slightly in your hands for 30-60 seconds to relax polymers. Once done, place a small piece into a bowl and add 0.5 tsb warm water, knead gently. You're reintroducing moisture and mobility that loosens glued chains. Make sure to add liquids incrementally. Too much at once will make it sticky instead of pliable, so proceed slowly. You continue by alternating small doses of water and contact solution to both rehydrate and rebind the polymer network. Add 0.5 tsb water, knead 30 seconds, then 0.25 tsb contact solution and work it until texture changes. Once pliable, massage in 1 tsb lotion or glycerin to restore stretch and reduce brittleness. That lubricates bonds. If the slime becomes too sticky, dust a tiny 1/8 tsb baking soda and knead until tack disappears. This restores balance between stick and stretch. You finish by conditioning the slime until it responds. Squeeze for 1 to 2 minutes. Flatten, fold, and repeat to align the polymers and distribute moisture evenly. Once satisfied, let it rest in an airtight container for 10-30 minutes, then test. If it's still slightly firm, place a tiny damp paper towel inside the container, not touching slime, for up to 24 hours to gently reintroduce humidity. If it becomes rubbery after 48 hours, rewarm briefly and repeat the rehydrate and rebind steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.